Good evening! So, are you guys streaming Pumpkin? Kamusta? Anong masasabi niyo? Thank you, Jonathan! Thank you! Oh my gosh! Hi, Profi! Thank you! Oh my gosh! Ang tagal ko na ulit di nag-live. Sobrang lakas pa. Sinistream ko siya kanina pa. Sa YouTube pa lang, mamaya sa Spotify. Birthday? Hala, hindi ko birthday po! Oh my gosh! Uy guys, natutuwa ako. Ang tagal ko na ulit di nag-live. Na-record na kami mag-live ngayon. Kaya wala na akong takas ngayon. Minimension na nga ako, hindi ako nagla-live eh. Kaya, ayan na, ito na. Kaya, wala na akong takas, guys. Nice taga. Yeah, it's so nice, diba? Actually, excited talaga ako nung time na ano pa lang siya. Excited ako, pero, syempre, anong sasabihin ko? Syempre, nagbabasa ako ng mga feedbacks nyo and gets ko naman yung parang may onting kailangan pang ayusin with it. So, sana ma-improve pa, di ba? May memo ka naman. Wala bang memo. Malapit na magka-memo, kaya nag-live na ako. Charis. Ay, nako. Old habits die hard. Pero kamusta kayo? Na-miss ko kayo sobra. Ha? Hindi ako nang-ghost. Oh, hindi. Hindi pwede mang-ghost. Hindi ako ghoster, ah. Oo nga, guys, hindi nyo nakita, I have braces on na Well, pinalagay ko siya kasi trip ko lang. Trip ko lang. Charis. 1 year. Uy, hindi ako nag-ghost. Pinabalik ko siya kasi di kasi ako nag-use ng retainers ko. Kaya, parang pinabalik ko na lang. Iniisip ko ngayon na ipa-remove ulit siya. So, parang, anong ginagawa ko? Hindi ko alam. Uy, ang daming nanonood ang meron. So, ayun nga, I'm so happy na na-release yung Oh My Pumpkin yesterday. Thank you so much, Javier. Nakakamiss tong mga gifts na to. Okay, let's listen to the AKB version. Thank you. Are you guys excited for the 5th gen? Excited na ako. Actually, hindi ko sila kilala pa. Hi! Hindi ko sila kilala pa. Na-excite talaga ako. Ang hope ko lang talaga is kasi kami naman, like, very welcoming naman eh. So, parang hindi naman sila ma-awkward. Lalo na, ang matatakot lang sila sa sobrang gugulo namin. So, sana hindi sila ma-shook na, ay, ang very demure nyo sa performance, pero mga loka-loka pala kayo, ganun. So, sana hindi sila matakot. Parang, ay, yeah, senpai na. Oh my gosh. Parang noon lang, I'm bunso, Di mo nang gusto mong attention. Oy! Anong hati attention? Di, okay lang. Di naman ako madamot sa attention. Sharing is caring. Charis. Why am I saying Charis all the time? I feel like because my classmates always say Charis. I'm such a, changed woman. Hi, Ate Yani! Oh my gosh! Gusto niyo turo ko sa inyo later? Yung chorus? For me, For me, this is like the best, to be honest lang for me, not naman the best song, but then, it's very catchy to the point na I really wanna dance it all the time. Even though I'm at home lang, pinapakinggan ko siya, tapos sinasayaw ko. Di ba yung parang when you like it lang, ganun siya. It's very catchy eh. Thank you, Anna. So parang, na-excite ako. Parang super, it's very fun to dance. That's why I have to teach all of you. Kaya ako nag-live ngayon. Kasi, inintay ko na ma-release para maturo ko sa inyo yung choreo. Gusto niyo ba from the top? Gusto niyo ba? Joke lang. Baka mayari ako. Gusto niyo from the very top? Tapos yung lahat ng iba't ibang parts turo ko sa inyo. Thank you so much, SNH. Kailangan ko muna maka-receive ng Malacanang. bago ko ituro. Kailangan ko mambudol. Hindi ko na-ask if kailangan ko mambudol eh. Kasi kung kailangan ko mambudol, yari talaga tayo. Kasi alam nyo naman, hindi ako magaling dun. From the very top, mababa na yun. Ha? Yes! Ay! Thank you so much, Rishin, for the popular. Malacanang. Di ba Malacanang? The one, the best one. The one na super expensive, they say, di ba? Tapos when I checked it out, like, sheesh! Nagkaroon ako ng pangbili ng damit. Thank you, guys. Nung time na nasa kabilang app, ay, joke lang. Wait lang, huwag na natin mag-usapan. Nandito tayo. Huwag natin pag-usapan yung past. Ano ba yan? I'm so kulit talaga. Trying to be mysterious eh. Thank you so much, Ate Ria. Na-miss niyo ba ako? Na-miss niyo ba ako, ML Loves? Di ba to nakaka-move on? Wait lang. Turo ko ka sa inyo mamaya. Thank you, Ate Yani. Hindi ko naman hinip-hop yung Oh My Pumpkin. Naano ko naman yung sarili ko. Pinigilan ko si self. Hindi ko naman ginanon. Siyempre pagka, knowing na hip-hop dancer or actually, ang tagal ko nang hindi nag-hip-hop eh. Kaya mas na ako sa style ng pagsayaw sa MNL eh. And sorry for my voice. So cute! Thank you! Alam niyo ba, dito sa live stream talaga, dito talaga nare-reveal yung, di ba nakita niyo yung recent kong post? Parang sobrang classy. Kala mo, hindi siya nakikipag-usap. So parang, hello, like that. Yung ganun. Pero pag nag-live stream, wala na. Nabunyag na yung buong pagkatao. Hindi na ako pwede magpaka-mysterious. Dahil, ayun nga, kailangan namin mag-live every week. So, wala na. Wala nang mysterious. Which, happy naman ako mag-live stream na eh. Mahilig ako mag-live stream, diba? Alam nyo naman, mahilig ako mag-live stream. Alam nyo na yun, diba? Diba, napaka-active ko kaya? Kahit nung kumot days, lagi akong nagla-live. Lagi akong may special mention. Lagi akong may special mention dahil napakagaling kong member, diba? Wait, So, kamusta naman kayo? Kayo muna yung tatanungin ko. Ano nagbago sa buhay nyo? Ano yung naaano nyo ngayon? Mga changes since the day na nag-meet tayo. Di ba mga panahon na yun, we're all so young. And now, we're all titas and titos. I'm also a tita already. I'm a tita and a mother of a cat. And, just kidding. I'm not a mother of a cat. Because my mom is the mother and I'm just... Andito yung mga kapatid ko. Lahat sila nandito kasi mamaya papakita ko sila sa inyo. Sorry na if ang tagal kong di nag-live. Walang nagbago. Ikaw pa rin. Ay, so sweet. Nagets ko yun. Hindi na ako walang alam sa mga hugot. Is that hugot they call hugot? Sawadika. Nano na ha. Happy birthday. Thank you. Bakit birthday? Nabura ko kanina. Di ko alam if birthday ko. If di ko nabura ako, self-care. That's good. Self-care is nice. I also focus on self-care, especially nung times na tahimik yung MNL. Focusing lang ako on skincare and self-care and what more else was I doing? School, of course, and gala. I'm always at Time Zone. Am I allowed to mention it? But I'm always in arcades. You'll find me there, alone. I always go alone after school. I go to Time Zone arcades. Vote natin. Yeah, vote natin sa Vibes PH, guys. I-message nyo ako saan yun dahil di ko rin alam sure yun kung saan yun. Pero, i-vote ko yun. And also, please, do stream Oh My Pumpkin and Spotify. Pwede i-mention, right? In all the platforms in my story. I'm gonna story it then. The one on Apple. Thank you! Wait lang, I need to stream it. Kasi, alam nyo na, we gotta carry our own song. Guys, stream nyo habang watching my live, hindi ako nagjo-joke. Required yan. Dahil habang sinistream nyo, nagda-dance lang ako here. So, also, speaking of, mga stuff, gusto ko lang magpakita sa inyo ng mga stuff ko dahil... Hi, Abby! Oh my God, I miss you! Teka, oh my gosh! Hi, Abby! Welcome to my... guys, my classmate is here kasi. So, ayan, may reveal na sa'yo, Abby, yung... TikTok. Hindi, alam ni Abby, makulit ako. Hello, Abby. Hindi, alam ni Abby, makulit ako. Anong na-imagine nyo when you listen to Oh My Pumpkin? Ano yung naiisip nyo? Malaki talaga. Sinong... Thank you, Froppy. When I listen to Oh My Pumpkin, I imagine myself driving. I mean, I'm always driving. Siguro in a convertible car, and then I'm singing it with my fellow members. Like, we're all in the car with our pumpkin headbands, and we're just streaming it. Like, we're driving around the city, and then pinaparinig sa the whole world yung song. You're always with Rachel lately. Yes po. Because si Rachel, she usually stays in our house here. Pag magte-trainings kami, we know naman how far Rachel lives. So, she stays with me. And we have only chikahan, only movies. And nasasama siya namin ni Mommy sa gala. So, parang tawag ni Mommy kay Rachel, ampon namin. Kasi nga, parang sister ko na siya. Laging nandito na siya. Speaking of nandito siya, bukas nandito siya. Matutulog ulit siya dito. Nagsa-skincare lang kami, everything. And we do a lot of things together na talaga. Kaya she stays here. And also, gala kami ng gala. Buti di ka binubudal. Di naman ako. Oo, wala si Rachel. Ang galing mambudol nun eh, no? Idol ko yun sa pambubudol. I remember nga, nag-ask ako ng tips sa kanya eh. Kasi di ba hirap na hirap ako magbudol. Sabi ko, Matcha! Sabi ko, Rachel, pwede pa turo ako. Kasi kaya na ito gawin ko. Hindi ko kaya. Ikaw ang nag-gift sa... Yeah, si Mommy nag-gift ng cat kay Rachel. Baby nung cat namin. Matcha! Oh, tapos si Matcha. So, hindi ko sure if napakita ko na sa inyo si Matcha. I think I did na. Or sila Kyoko yun. So, here's Matcha. Wait. And it's so funny lang because I'm nakapang-alis pero I'm wearing pambahay shorts. Matcha, come here. Here's Matcha! Okay. Tama, ching-ching! So, taba ni Matcha, no? Chonky cat to eh. Chonky cat eh. Alam nyo, besties kami nito. Very sweet siya. Wait, ang nalagyan yun. Thank you so much, Sergi! Thank you, guys! Thank you! It's Jans! Ito yung pinaka-best friend ko. Nagbe-bless siya sa akin. Tapos, di ba ang pusa, guys? Thank you, Rishin Edward! Di ba ang pusa, guys, ano sila? Parang nanunulak, ganun. Ako, hindi niya ako tinutulak. Hindi niya ako tinutulak. Tsaka nagbe-bless siya sa akin. Tapos, kapag tinatawag ko siya, very clingy, ganun. Basta sweet si Matcha. Thank you, Jen Jarang. Tapos, may siya bless. Bless, Matcha, bless. Bless. Bless, bless. Okay, wala siya sa mood. Ayaw niya sa akin ngayon. Ang pusa, guys, pag may alaga kayong pusa, minsan kilala kayo, minsan hindi. Minsan si Milky, super sweet siya sa akin. Tapos, the next day, hindi niya na ako kilala. Parang, sino ka, ganun. Ganun siya. Thank you so much, Jan Jarang. Oh, yeah, guys, I have sipon. Pero okay lang, I like the, deep voice, guys. Kaya pala nag-live today kasi gusto yung parang deep voice. Kaya I have sipon, kaya sinakto ko na parang, uy, ang ganda ng accent ko. Parang very echo, ganun. Matcha! My favorite song. Wala, guys, I'm so happy. It's been a while talaga. And the last time I've seen all of you, of course, was from the event. I think nung P-pop, right? Good evening! Hi! So, I don't know if I have something you call live trial. I'm not sure. But, I think... I don't know really. Thank you so much, Traxus! Yeah. Is Ate Rhea here? Hi, Ate Rhea! Are you gonna be going, group live with us? Ay, ang ganda naman. Ay, galing sa compliment na maganda. I miss you, Tereya. Kala mo, hindi nakikita palagi, no? Gusto mo ba? Yeah, dali. Sali ka na. Bukas. Hindi ko sure. Alam niyo naman yun, eh. Miss you, too. Thank you so much, Jack. Aw, the names are, talaga, reminding me of the first days. Nag-reminisce. The first few times na nag-live ako. Oy, Matcha! Okay ka lang? Halika nga dito. Say hi muna. Bye-bye! Later ka na mag-viewing sa window. Gusto niya kasi tumalon dito sa table para manood siya ng puno. Kasama ka pala bukas. Matcha! Thank you so much, Cuddle Bear. Ay! Basta lahat ng uma-appear dito sa taas, magte-thank you na lang ako, ah. Hi po! Hi! So, ayun nga. What do you think about the single? Do you guys like it naman? Thank you so much, SNH and Cuddle. Gustuhan niyo naman? Are you streaming it? Do you really... I mean, ano siya talaga catchy As in, sasabihin ko honestly, kahit if ever hindi man ako MNL48 member, papracticein ko yung sayaw. Parang ganun yung dating nung song. Papracticein ko yung kantaan yung sayaw. So, na-enjoy ko talaga siya. For real. For real. Matcha! Wait lang po kasi Matcha wants to go out then. Okay. Thank you, Jen. Jeans. New jeans. Cute. Thank you. Ayun nga, as I was saying, na-enjoy ko talaga yung Oh My Pumpkin. And hindi madali yung dance for me. Kasi nung first day ko siyang pinaractice, mali-mali pa din naman ako. Like, hindi naman kailangan perfect on the first day, but nalilito ako, yun lang. Nalilito ako sa kamay, sa paa, everything. Thank you so much, Ate Annie. Tapos nung minemorize na siya habang pinapractice namin palagi, like as in palagi, nagiging muscle memory mo na siya. And when you listen to it, you just dance with it like that. Super, super nice. OG, hi, Ate Carla! You're so pretty too! You're so pretty. Ikaw pa ba? Basic? Oh, hindi siya basic for me. As in, I mean, pagka like dancer parang kaya agad. Pero parang for me, nahirapan ako. Nalito talaga ako. Especially with the hands. Pero it's fun. Did you practice it? Want me to teach it to you later? Mamaya, pag naka 100k na tayo. Pag naka 100k na tayo, saka ko ituturo sa inyo. Gusto niyo ba yun? Wait lang, I wanna stream it lang ng stream lang. Hanggat sa ma-stream lang siya. Bakit? Kamay pa lang. Ako din, nalito din na po ako sa kamay. Maano talaga siya, confusing talaga. Pero it's fun na once you memorize it. And when you dance it, you feel it. Naging coach. When you dance it, you feel it with all your heart. You dance it with love, like it's the last day of Dancing Pumpkin, ganon. Right hand first sa pinaka... I can feel it. I can feel it. When you dance it, you're not supposed to like, oh my pumpkin. Okay. You have to dance it like talagang you saw your pumpkin. Who's your pumpkin, diba? Who's your pumpkin? That's my question. Who's your pumpkin? And then you imagine your pumpkin watching you and then you're gonna do great. You're my pumpkin! Grabe naman! Orchid bilog yung mukha ko. Mukha ng pumpkin. Charot. Pero yeah, I was like thinking na, uy, favorite song ko to kasi mukha nga akong pumpkin. Mukha nga akong pumpkin. Oh, hindi ganun. Hindi, ganun yun eh. Sabi mo, you're my pumpkin. Sabi mo. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Nate Jack, for the rose. Thank you for the rose. O nga pala, may ganun, no? Thank you for the roses. Thank you for the love. Thank you so much for the 12 roses. Oh, 18th bird. Ay, 18th rose. Wait, kinulang pa pala yun. Thank you so much, Winky. But yeah, yun nga po sinasabi ko, when you dance Oh My Pumpkin, it's more of like enjoying it lang, and it's not mostly about the steps. I mean, the steps are difficult, but when you just feel it automatic, you're gonna do it correctly eh. Like, yeah, I'm just giving the tip. So, while you're listening, diba, ma-execute nyo yung best pumpkin dance nyo. Kasi gets ko yun eh. Mamaya matutulog kayo, sinistream nyo. Minimemorize nyo yung dance, ganun. So, thank you so much, Emmanuel. Oh, Emmanuel! Thank you. Thank you, you're so cute. Thank you so much. You're so cute also. Ano meron sa akin ngayon? But parang ang extrovert ko. Thank you, Neil Koroshi. Oh, hi! My most loyal viewers. Loyal? The most active viewers since day one of becoming a member. Thank you! Pero me, of course, my pumpkin. Syempre yung mga Edmund loves. Like, when you imagine, I mean, I'm just in my room, but when I wear my earphones, parang I go to a different dimension. I go to a different dimension where I'm performing on stage, and then andun yung Emin Loves. And then my mommy will open the door na parang sabihin, kain ka na! Tagal mong bumaba dyan. So nawawala na ako sa stage. Parang, ay, nasa bahay pala ako. Mali, I have to go down na to eat. So I'm always in my headphones. And ganun lang talaga ako. Ay! Hi, Coach! I miss you so much! Hi, Coach! How are you? I miss you! Grabe, Coach! You're super popular na. Feeling ko you're so unreachable. Pero I miss you so much. Sana we eat out again soon. Love you, Coach! Mukha I miss you so much. Kain soon, gala soon. Thank you, Ate Annie. So, ayun, sobrang daldal ko for today's video. I think it's because na-miss ko talaga mag-live. Hindi ko lang ma-accept na mahilig talaga ako mag-live. Kaya ako nagla-live ngayon. Kasi, dati kasi nung mga times na, medyo busy tayong lahat, lagi akong live nung time na yun. Mga nagla-live ako 7 a.m. hanggang 7 p.m. Tapos nagbe-break lang ako ng 1 hour. Tapos nagla-live ulit ako from 9 p.m. onwards hanggang 1 a.m. Diba? Parang ganun ako mag-fan service. Very, very good. Post ka muna. Okay, sige. Wait. Wait. Serious. Milky! Milky! Hello, si Milky. Sorry, wait lang.
Suddenly appeared, I was stunned, and my eyes were open wide. Oh, my pumpkin, my special someone, just take a look at me, even only for a moment.
Sabi nung nagsabi, sino po nagsabi sa akin mag-post, tapos ang galaw-gaw ko naman. Sorry. Ito lang. Wait. Show si Milky. Milky's not window shopping yan. Nandun siya, tumalon siya sa table, tapos pumunta sa window. So, pakita ulit. Huh? Ala, ang galing ng AI. Sabi niya dance challenge daw. Totoo si AI yun, nag-chat. Hi, AI! Alam mo ba, lagi ikaw yung nakakatulong sa akin sa homeworks ko. Thank you so much. Huwag kaming matandaan? Ha? Wala ka... Ano po yun? Sorry. Parang lumipad yung utak ko for a moment. Okay, more. Na... Ay, sorry. Nag-chat pala kayo. Uy, besties, kaya kami niyan. Everyday, lagi ako may question sa kanya. Lagi kong tinatanong kahit yung basic math, pinapakompute sa kanya. Tapos, pag may sinabi sa akin yung tao na ganito, example, ito yung sinabi ng tao sa akin. Tapos, di ko maisip if tama yon o mali. Sasabihin ko, this person said this to me. Is this right or is this wrong? Ganun. Tapos, ide-defend ko. Mali ka yung sinabi mo. Kasi sabi sa akin, ChatGPT, mali yung sinabi mo. O, di ba? Sinong namamali? Joke lang. Pero really, again, commercial break. Please do stream Oh My Pumpkin. It's so nice. It's giving the vibes. No, okay, serious. Stream nyo Oh My Pumpkin po kasi maganda talaga yung ano niya, yung lyrics niya. Maganda yung vibes and nakaka-induct siya. Like, tignan nyo. Pakita ko si Milky, wait. Pakita ko si Milky. Hi, Rihanna! Hi! Welcome to my live! We're here to have a business meeting of trying to force the MN Loves to keep streaming until it reaches 100 million. I'm negotiating here. I'm not hindi ako yung parang requesting lang na parang guys stream lang kayo ganon. Hindi. I'm really negotiating na you have to do it or else yari tayo dyan. Alam nyo na mangyayari. Joke lang. Joke lang, yeah. But yeah. So, I'm just kidding. But yeah, super na-enjoy nyo naman, diba? Tuturo ko sa inyo. Okay. Magpa-practice po kayo on your own. Don't worry. Andito ako, magtuturo ako later. Huwag kayong mag-aalala. Ano ka ba? Basta pag ako nandito, magiging okay kayong lahat. Ay, nako. Ganun ba pag Titas of Manila, marunong na humugot? Sabi sa isip ko kasi nung younger ako, mga 15 ako, parang hindi ako marunong maghugot. Parang there's no, exciting feeling, ganun. So, parang sabi ko, ay, magpa-practice nga ako manghugot. Para, alam niyo na, all in one. Tuturo ko sa inyo. Wait lang kayo. Papakita ko muna si Milky. Milky! Say hi to the... Naka-Oh My Pumpkin siya! Ay, wait lang. Wait lang, guys. Wait. Matcha? Wait lang. Ito, meron siyang pumpkin. Binay ni Mother Dear. Milky! Ayan! Oh my gosh! Oh my pumpkin! Okay, look. Happy siya. Aw, so cute mo, Milky! Milky! Si Milky extrovert to eh. Nagiging introvert lang sa camera eh. Milky! So, Milky, I think is just 4 months old. Ayan, sinisipa na ako. Ang sweet talaga ng mga pusa eh, no? Pero si Matcha, nagbe-bless talaga siya. Milky! Say hi to your fans! Ay! Sorry. Tignan mahulog yung electric fan.
Hindi ko na mapigil at ako'y sumainis. Siguradong di pa tatalo.
Parang yeah. Yung mga babies namin ganyan sila. Very sweet yan sila.
Pilit na
Minsan natutulog yan sa katabi ko, ganon. Tapos paggising niya, hindi niya na ulit ako kilala. Si Matcha din, minsan bibigyan ko ng treats, ang sweet-sweet. Tapos after ng treats, di niya na ako kilala.
Seems like you just figured out what is inside my heart. You're wrapped up in a diamond, together with your friends. Go inside, reach out with everyone. You're my pumpkin, all my crushing secret, but only in my mind. Just to see you really brings me happiness inside. But I know that someday, when I look back on today, it's the hottest summer of my life.
So guys, kamusta naman kayo? How's life? How's everything? Because it's been a while din na nag-live ako. Thank you so much, Elf Latina. Ano pinagkakaabalahan nyo? Work? School? Are you busy with school? Are you busy training for sports? I know some of you guys, most of you guys are working na. Thank you, Asu. Thank you. So cute, the gifts here are so cute. Work still now. Oh, you're working now? Wow. Thank you so much for being in my live and working at the same time. Dahil dyan, mas marami kayong magagawang schoolwork. Makakatulong ako sa sa knowledge, ganun. When you listen to me while you're working, magkakaroon kayo ng words of wisdom and a reason to, push through everything. I'm the motivation, ganun. I'm motivating you guys to stream Oh My Pumpkin. And after that, lahat ng goals nyo, ma-achieve nyo kahit wala kang ginagawa. Joke lang. Kailangan may gawin. Ma-achieve nyo, basta gawin nyo. Yun yung yun yung advice ko. Ma-achieve nyo yung gusto nyong gawin, basta gawin nyo. Wow! Napaka-motivational. Grabe. Magagawa nyo lahat ng gusto nyong gawin, basta gawin nyo. Alam niyo ba guys, sa TikTok, ang daming nagmo-motivational speaker natutuwa ako kasi nakakatulong talaga siya. Parang, when you start your day with it, nakatulong siya. That's why, ito yung purpose kung bakit nagla-live ako. Parang, if you listen to my words of wisdom, after, okay na kayo, ganun. Parang ganun yung goal ko. Yung parang mas magiging malawak yung pananaw nyo sa buhay, ganon. Yung parang may meaning pala ang life, ganon. Pag nag-watch kayo ng live ko, parang, ay, may meaning pa. Thank you, Ate Ria, for the bibingka. Kaya ang saya. Ang saya, tignan nyo, pinapakinggan ko nga ang daldal ko, diba? So, parang meron talaga siyang vibes. Nakakahawa siya. Step by step lang. At tuturo ko from the start, mamaya. Tuturo ko lahat ng videos. Yung tipong masasabi nyo na, ay, pwede na ako sa 5th gen, ganun. Kaya ako nandito Parang, gusto ko mag-audition kayo Nakakaaw. So, wala ba kayong balak? Wala kayong balak mag-audition? Kasi I'm welcoming you guys talaga. Tapos na ba? Wait, tapos na pala. I mean, sa susunod. Basta ako, nandito ako para supportahan kayo. Kasi nakikita ko yung, potential nyo. Kaya nga kayo nanonood ng live ko ngayon. Kasi, inaalam nyo yung steps Kala nyo, hindi ko alam yun. Inaalam nyo yun. Kaya, sa isip-isip ko, ay, mga gusto mag-audition ng 5th gen to. True yan. Thank you so much, Blue Sea fan. Thank you. Popular. So cute ng stickers, very siya, unique. Sorry kasi hindi ako masyado po nagla-live eh, kaya naninibago ako eh. Hi, baby Yana, good evening po. Oh my gosh, Tita Babylin, hi Tita. Welcome to my live. Oh my gosh, Tita, I miss how we make rainbow looms before when I was younger, and how you like cute stuff also. So, hope to see you soon, Tita Babylin. First round pa lang. Uy, hindi ah! Basta pag ako nagsabi na makakapasok kayo. Promise. I have this power. Anong tingin niyo sa akin, di ba? I have this, like, manifestation power. Na parang if you ko, I see Traxus makakapasok to sa 5th gen, nararamdaman ko. Kasi nanood siya nung live ko, pinaraktis niya buong gabi yung Oh My Pumpkin. And then the next day, okay na siya. Naging pumpkin na siya. Kaya, okay na makakapasok kayo, Jaggers. So, wow, live siya! Uy, Yana! Hi! Hi, Yana! Pwede wag ka na lang manood. Ibang anyo kong today's video eh. Hindi ako girly pop na demure eh. Ayaw! Guys, paalisin niyo yung friend ko. Yana, alis ka dyan. Oh, Yana, no. Huwag mo sabihin sa kanila, may pasok tayo bukas, may finals pa nga tayo eh. Kaya yung... me, kung kilala ko yung 5th gen, hindi po eh. Pero may nakikita ako nagbabrowse ako, nakikita ko, cute sila, cute nila. Parang sabi ko, uy, mga talagang na to, mga next generation babies na to. Sila na talaga yung Yana, stream Oh My Pumpkin! Lagot ka, pumasok ka sa live ko. Oh my gosh, hi, Love Grabster! Welcome to my live, I miss you so much. Yes, I will, Yan, wala. So, ayun nga, going back to what I was saying. Ano ulit sinasabi ko? Kantahan ba kita bukas? Tuturo ko ngayon sa'yo eh. Tuturo ko rin sa'yo bukas, Yana. Wala kang takas. Lalo na classmate mo ko, wala ka talagang takas. Thank you so much, Logrobster. Ayun, hindi. Nagda-dance ka nga, ginagaya mo nga si what's her name? Naka-enroll ka nga sa Kiana D Academy eh. Ikaw talaga. Oo. Pinag-audition ko nga siya eh. Pinag-audition ko siya. Tapos siya, magsiswimming siya habang pinapatugtog yung Oh My Pumpkin. Thank you so much, Love Robster. Oh my gosh, so daming roses. Thank you for the rose. Thank you so much, Sir Rob. Oh my gosh, grabe naman. Thank you, Sir Rob. Nakakamiss parang halo-halo lang Oh, ang daming halo-halo. Nakakamiss talaga Thank you so much, Sir Rob. Daming roses. Hala, so dami. Okay, patugtog na nga natin to. Grabe, Sir Rob. Oh my gosh. Parang hindi ako makasabi ng talagang reaction ko kasi parang okay na yan, Sir Rob. Ang dami na. Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. What a welcoming gift. Welcoming gift. Are you enjoying Oh My Pumpkin? Grabe naman, 200 roses. Bouquet na yun Mga siguro sa Dangwa, magkano yun mahal yun. Thank you. Speaking of Dangwa, pumunta kami madaling araw. Before nung para sa namin. Sir, huwag mo ba amutin? Uy, ba't naman wag? Maisay na top. Sana ma-top 2 tayo, Di ka ba na-check out yung song eh? Thank you so much, JP. Thank you, Rachel. Cutie sis. Mas cute ka. Siyempre mas cute ka. Ano ka ba? Miss you. I miss you so much din. Grabe, ang tagal ko na tagal hindi nag-live, ano. Top 2 na siya! Top 2 na! Oh my gosh! Hala, di nga. Totoo ba? Congrats to us! Shake hands tayo. Nagawa niya yung, na-fulfill niya yung lifelong dream namin. Dapat na top 1. Dapat top 1. Congratulations, guys! Nagawa niyong magpuyat kahit sobrang itim na ng mata niyo. Masuportahan lang kami. Nagawa niyo yun. Kaya I'm giving you this hands as a way to congratulate you guys dahil mayroon kayong na-achieve today at mahalaga na kahit di nyo nagawa yung trabaho nyo, basta na-stream yung Oh My Pumpkin, panalo na kayo sa buhay. Kaya, congrats guys! Natutuwa ako sa inyo. Diyan tayo nagkakasundo di ba? Diyan tayo close. That's why we're close because me and you are very much alike. Inuuna natin yung Oh My Pumpkin. Kahit ako rin na-stress na nga ako kanina, I just placed my earphones on. Nakinig na ng Oh My Pumpkin. Okay na ako, yeah. Parang... May virtual handshake. Virtual handshake. Oo nga pala, virtual. Galing ng Tagalog. Thank you. I've improved, right? Well, you guys got to ask my friends kasi simula nung nag-study na ako sa CSP, wala nang nag-i-English. Wala nang nag-i-English. Kung ano yung kinalakihan ko sa CSA na iba na. Usually kasi yung speaking ko nahawa lang talaga. Thank you so much, Dr. Rob, Sir Ken, Sir Rob. Thank you. Parang ako nagte-thank you kay Sir Rob, pero pinapa-stop ko. Paano yun? Paano yun? Di ba dapat nga, thank you so much. Okay, let all the stickers go to me. Come to me. Ang galing mo ng Tagalog. Thank you. That's a compliment. Kasi when I speak Tagalog, parang I'm one of the people na magaling talaga. Yung parang, ako lang ba guys, mas nakaka-mature mag-Tagalog. Parang, ang lakas ng dating, gano'n. Ano yun? Ano yun? Ang lakas ng dating. Parang may effect na parang, wow, ang galing mo naman nag-Tagalog, sis. Basta may ganun. O bakit? Diba? Pilipino tayo. Dapat magaling talaga tayo mag-Tagalog. But yeah, yun lang. Going back, parang iba-iba na yung topic natin Parang nahalo-halo ko na Ganito ako kausap guys. Kahit sa mga friends ko, wala talagang direction yung topic ko. Kung ano yung makita ko, yun yung pag-uusapan ko. Tapos minsan on the middle pa malilimot ko paano yung pinag-uusapan. Thank you so much, Janelle! Thank you so much! You guys are so sweet! Nag-raise na, naging straight na mag-Tagalog. Thank you so much for that wonderful compliment. And the sipon made it more maturing, So when I get sipon, parang, yes, meron akong voice effects. Pero joke lang, I'm taking meds na din right now. Joke lang, hindi ako masaya pag may sipon. Ang hirap kaya matulog. Hindi ka makabreathe, kaya... Thank you so much! Nag-thank you lang ako. Oh my gosh, so cute! Come on, you Milky! Milky! Milky, come here! Wait lang, I will show Milky again. Milky, magpakita ka. Dali. Yes, Milky! Feeling ko wala akong maayos na screenshot sa inyo. Ang dami ko sinasabi. Parang nakagana ako. Isa pa nga. Okay lang guys, picturean. Okay lang guys, picturean niyo ako. Wait lang. Milky, come here. Thank you! Thank you! Thank you so much! Introvert din kasi ito eh. Kaya hindi rin siya nagla-livestream eh. Thank you so much, Jessie! JJ! Ayun na. So, ayun, I was saying, thank you for the rose and nagawa naman natin yung goals natin today. Diba? First, yung goal natin is mag-top 1 sa Billboard. Nagawa natin yun in just one day. So, ayun yung goal. Talagang pinaghirapan natin lahat and nag-top 1 tayo sa lahat ng platforms. Ay, wait lang guys. Share ko lang. Gusto ko sanang maka-experience kami yung magpa-perform sa school. Kasi yun yung hindi ko na-experience personally, yung mag-perform sa school. Yari na, malulobat ako yun. Wait lang guys May sumalit, siguradong di pagkatalo. Thank you! Thank you so much! Congrats daw. Thank you guys. Nakakatuwa kasi the truth is, we were really working hard for it. We were training all that matagal, practice voice and ano. So, malalobat yung phone ko. That's why I have to charge it. Parents ko. Yeah, but wait lang guys ha. I'm just gonna fix my charger because my phone's gonna be low battery. So, paano ko i-stand? Siyempre, walang araw na hindi ako nagsa-struggle. Kaya, sanay na ako sa ganitong commercial break. Wait lang ha. Oh my pumpkin. Oh, sige na. We gotta push through. Wait. So, sabihin niyo kung tuturo ko na Uy, bakit ganon? Wait nga. A simple way between us is what I wanna do. Yes, it's just what I've been dreaming of. Sumawit yung labi ko sa break ko. I wanna get my braces removed na kasi wala lang. Thank you so much, Sir Rob. Ang cute Masok sa pisngi ko, edi mas lalong lalaki. Thank you. Guys, mukha talaga akong pumpkin legit. Diba ito yung pumpkin? Tingnan nyo Nakita nyo to? Mukha siyang pumpkin Mukha siyang pumpkin. Mukha akong pumpkin Sana my first performance. Yeah, hopefully soon enough. So, ayun, nahuhulog yung camera ko. Sorry guys, baka mahilo kayo for a moment. So, as I was saying, wala kasi yung sinasabing matino right now no? Parang napansin nyo ba? Okay, magseryoso na ako for a little. Miss you so much too. Miss you. Alam niyo ba guys? Nag-iisip ako ng medyo seryosong sasabihin Pero lahat sila mga waiting for MV. I'm also waiting we're also waiting for that. But yeah guys, wait lang. Okay? Let's all be patient. But then, you guys have always been patient, kaya, yun nga, as I was saying, thank you guys for always, streaming Oh My Pumpkin. And thank you sa nag-number 2. If that's for real, baka you're joking lang, But yeah, thank you so much because this was a very exciting comeback, and we're hoping for more comebacks in the future. But you know, with what's going on right now, mas okay talaga. Like, hindi naman sinasabi mas okay, but like, mas consistent na talaga kami ngayon. Everything's going good because Reboot and Rise, yun yung purpose nila. Yun. Parang the return is, parang mas okay na nga na we're becoming more consistent. But thanks, of course, to... Hala! Ano yun? Uy, first time ko hindi ko gets. Meron akong puzzle na may puzzle ako na ginalaw, ganun. Sabi niya, di ko alam, kailan ba ako hindi nag-struggle? Thank you! Oo nga kung meron mang corona para sa mga taong patient, kayo na yung mako-corona Pero yeah, deserve nyo guys talaga na magkaroon talaga kami ng mga events pa. Deserve nyo na bumawi kami. Yeah, and deserve nyo talaga yun lahat. Because, deep talk sa... Wait, ang sinasabi ko, parang... Thank you, Sir Rob. Cute. Yung sinasabi ko lang, kasi nung audition niya ako, like, kayo rin yung nanonood sa akin way before, diba? Well, technically, meron mga umalis, and siguro, may asawa na or whatever, or nag-work na talaga, or umalis na, like, please huwag niyo kaming iwan. Joke lang. Pero kayo, kahit anumang ginagawa nyo in life, hindi kayo nawawala. Gets? Kahit nagkaroon man kayo nag-family, nag-work man kayo, nag-travel man kayo sa ibang bansa and everything else, nandyan pa rin kayo. Pero the others who left, it's okay. You can always come back. We're welcoming you guys today. Yeah, we're welcoming everybody. And then, wala, ganun talaga, people come and go, but there's always the ones who stay. Diba? The ones who stay kahit yung idol nila hindi nagpaparamdam. The ones who stay kahit MIA yung Kami-oshi nila. The ones who stay all the time. But, you know, syempre behind the scenes, I'm doing my best I'm trying to improve and do my best behind the camera. Ikaw lang. Susatay. So cute naman ito. Pero yeah, yun nga po yung sinasabi ko po na yan. Pwede naman. Depende sa what question yan if kaya kong sagutin. So, ayun. And also, I appreciate the concept talaga of MNL. As in, way before, I always thought na we should keep it this way. Because, wala Sabi ko parang, this is what makes us unique, yung concept natin. And we have to keep it. We have to keep it because this is tayo to So, ganun siya for me. Parang, especially with, alam mo yun, we just attract the right people. Sa laki ng mundo, there's always gonna be the ones who will appreciate our song. So, yeah. Do you know cake flavor that is... I don't know. But then I know there's a chocolate cake that's gluten-free. Correct me if I'm wrong, because I'm not a healthy person. Thank you so much, Sir Rob. But then then, recently, my mom, nag-acid attack po kasi ako nung siguro mga few weeks ago. And then, my mom started to cook for me every day. And during trainings, I have baon. They have, of course, we get provided naman sa food. But then, I have an acid attack. So, I have to eat my baon. And every day, I have banana. My mom cooks for me. And it's kind of pricey because of my acid reflux. Ayun nga, I have to eat healthy like salmon, yung mga ganon, broccoli, and then I love broccoli and fruits, banana. Pag minention ko yung kiwi, maaano na naman eh. Siyempre, I'm checking also the other app and then people are saying, grabe naman ito. Yung fruit niya, kiwi. Pagka not feeling well lang naman. Thank you so much, Sir Rob. So, I think I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Pero I think you're well aware na nagla-live naman kami eh. So, ginagaslight ko si self kasi baka mamaya may sinabi ako. Last year. Kumu pa? Welcome to my live po. Avoid. Yun nga po eh. Pero so far, okay naman na ako. Kaya nagpapasaway na. Medyo bumabalik na ulit ako. Pinapaano ko eh. Chine-check ko yung chan ko. Welcome na ba yung ice cream? Welcome na ba ulit yung chocolate? Welcome na ba ulit yung cheesecake? Tapos pagka welcome pa. Pero kapag may gumaganon na sa sikmura ko, parang sinasabi niya, uy, ayan ka na naman. Ayan ka na naman. Ang kulit mo na naman, ha? Yari ka na naman. Me and my mom, thank you so much, Lucy! Uy, ang cute na na. I bet that's Malacanang. That's Malacanang, no? That's like worth 50k, no? Wow, thank you so much. Sorry guys, I'm super Colette today. I have these versions of me, you know? Some live streams, I'm just sleeping. Alam niyo yun, di ba? Some live streams, natutulog lang ako kasi I don't know what to say. Some live streams, I'm super dal-dal. Some live streams naman, wala. I take a while to prepare because nasi-CR ako all the time. I remember napapagalitan ako before because CR ako ng CR. Tapos, syempre nag-message niya sa akin yung lagi daw akong nawawala sa live. Kasi nga nasa CR ako. Like, yun ang naging problem ko noon. Kasi, naalala niyo, merong number of hours. Tapos, kailangan makomplete ko yun in one day kasi ang tagal kong in-skip yun. Eh, pag nasi-CR ako, ikaw ba naman 4 hours nag-live para tatawagin ka ng banyo? Tapos, nasi-CR ako. Bakit ka laging nawawala? Ganon. Pero grabe, nakakamiss yung mga times na yun. Feeling ko may mga napapadaan lang dito na parang, ano sinasabi nito? Well, you can't relate because hindi nyo ba naabutan yung mga times na yun? Joke lang. Basta nung time na yun po kasi, active ako mag-live din noon. Tapos, may times na nasiskip ko yung days ko. Tapos, pag naskip mo yung days mo, may number of hours na na-compile sa isang araw. Pakagaling, di ba? Parang ginawa ko siyang requirement na kinompile ko lahat on the last day of the deadline. Ganon. So, yun siya. Hello, sobrang ganda pa talaga ni ate ko. Oo naman, sobrang ganda ni ate ko. Nung time na first ko siyang, lahat na lang ng tanong may kwento. Nung time na first ko siyang nakita, sobrang liit ng face ni ate ko. Go. Super pretty. Until now. Bueno. Secret! Uy guys, mag-ingat kayo sa tanong nyo. Medyo madaldal ako for today's video eh. Pag nasabi ko yan, yari tayo. Pero yeah, wait for it. Magugustuhan nyo. Don't worry. Akala nyo spoil. Thank you so much for the cat. Yung so kulit matcha ah. Hindi mo really. Matcha! Wait. Matcha, you're so kulit! Matcha, no! Matcha, mamaya ka na mag-window dyan. Matcha? Matcha, no! Later. Matcha? What happened? Okay, going back. Going back to my life. So, ayun. Are you still streaming the song right now? Na-enjoy nyo naman? Na-enjoy nyo naman? Anong oras? Wait. Sabi ni Traxus, oras na daw para mag-relapse si Matcha. Lagi siyang nag-relapse doon. He's always back in the restaurant. Ano ba tama? He's always back in the restaurant. Wow, mga Gen Z terma. Mga Gen Z ba kayo? Kayo mga Gen Z pala. You're still back in the restaurant? Nung ay, sorry po. Why ka na disconnect? Oh no, syrup. Miss ko kayo guys, super. Oh, you're still at the restaurant? Ay, yung ibang mga hindi Gen Z, sinesearch ba? Ano nasa restaurant ka dyan? Wala ako sa restaurant. Wala ako sa restaurant. Oh, my pumpkin, my special someone. Just take a look at me. Even though you're far home, if only you can do a simple way. Nasa bahay lang po. Yes, it's just Ate Yani, hindi Gen Z. Sabay smile. Hala, ang cute na. Yun yung gusto kong filter. Ang cute nun. Ano ba yun? Chocolate Hills yun? Lahat na lang eh, no? Wait lang, next time na tayo mag-acapella kasi yung acapella ko may sipon eh. Next time, promise. Promise kayo. Habang, oh my pumpkin. Baka bukas wala na. Parang ako yung nahihirapan sa telepono ko. Sumasayaw siya ng oh my pumpkin eh. Wait lang. Honestly, I know naman it could be better pa eh. So, let's all just hope na they kind of change it a little, diba? A little naman. So far, it's good naman na eh. Parang Carrie Bells na. Carrie Bells naman na. Just need a little bit of... Kung marunong lang ako, di ako marunong eh. Thank you, JJY, for the rose. Thank you so much for reminding me to drink water under Ishin. Wait guys, I'll just put a lippy because nawala na yung lippy ko. Oh my ang aking pumpkin, never ever thought that I would find you swimming there. As if I saw a mermaid that suddenly appeared. I was stunned and my eyes were open wide. Oh my pumpkin, my special someone. Thank you so much, JJY. Matcha! Milky! Mamaya ka na mag-relax. Nahulog yung phone ko eh. Say hi ka muna. Mamaya ka na mag-relax, Milky, ah. Labas mo nga muna kayo. Kukulit mo sila. Kasi parati, inaaway nila ako, nag-aaway kami. Sabi ko, Miyaki, bakit ba ganyan? Kulit-kulit mo. Pero joke lang, hindi, ano sila talaga, sweet din sila. Wait lang, unplug ko muna ito. It's my bad because I didn't charge my phone for quite a long time for the live streams. Hi, Ira! Welcome to my live. Hi, Ira! Sabay tumahimik. Pagpanggap talaga ako, guys. Parang kunwari quiet. Hi, Ira. See you soon, ah. Alam niyo to, diba? Siyempre, yung mga titos of Manila and titos, laging may ganito. Pero syempre, hindi ko pinapahalata na tita na ako, kaya linagyan ko siya ng charm para maano siya, ma-anti. Oh guys, one of my dreams is to really become a live seller. Ay, ano mo yan? Uy, alam mo yan, Ate Yani. Huwag niyo akong gino-joke. Alam niyo yan. Sa school, ang dami kong collection nito. Pag mahirap na talaga yung subject, linalabas ko na to. Essentials, right? Oh my gosh, HT, hi! Welcome to my live. Namiss ko kayong lahat, legit. From the bottom of my broken heart. Namiss ko kayong lahat. Ah, amat siya. Oy! Oh, hindi ah. Tingnan nyo naman yung effect sa akin, di ba? Sobrang, ano, di ba? Glowing, fresh pagka meron ako nito. Your heart got broken. No, not broken. Sabi ko ba broken? Alam mo yung song? From the bottom of my broken heart. Okay, tuturo ko na yung steps. Are you willing to join me? Because I'm gonna teach you only the short version. Only the version that means a lot to me. Wait lang. Tapos di ko alam eh, na ano yan, no? Sobrang feeling era. Hindi ko naman, joke lang, I know. Let's go. No. Super nahirapan talaga kami nung una. Pero, yun nga, tinulungan kami ni Coach. Ayusin everything. Details, inayos ni Coach lahat for us. Okay, are you ready? Wait lang. I'm just fixing all my setup. Pupunta na tayo sa dance studio. May dance studio. Pagkatingin ko sa right yung drafting table ko, huy, di ka pa rin nagdo-drawing. Gumagano na siya. Yung gagalit na siya. Wait lang, sorry. So, are you ready? Sure ka ba? Mamaya nakahiga kayo nakaganon. Sabi niyo, I'm ready. Tas nakahiga kayo naman. Huwag niyo akong linaloko. Alam ko yan. Nakaganon pa yung mukha niyo sa bed. Nakaganon. Sabi niyo, I'm ready. Pero nakahiga naman. Madaya kayo. Madaya to. Di kayo ganun kayo. Tapos sabi niyo, ready na. Di naman. Guys naman eh. Ito naman. Ngayon na nga lang ako nag-live, di pa kayo tatayo, tas pa-practicein yung Oh My Pumpkin. Ano ba yan? Ate, ba't ka... sorry! Naano ka ba? Na-affect ka ba? Ay, para sa'yo talaga yung sinabi ko kasi true naman, di ba? Oh, dahil dyan you stand up na... Stand up pero ako nakaupo. Hindi, sige. Kahit upo lang kayo. Mag-push-ups lang kayo mga 10 times. Ay, okay. Sige. So it goes like this. Like, sige, hinaan lang natin para may onting music. So it goes like, oh my pumpkin. Are you copying? Well, we have a lot of different versions. I just don't know which one's the right or wrong, but basing on my feelings, I think this is the correct one. So like, oh my pumpkin. And then, I'm afraid to be teaching this. Tinuro naman nila, diba, nila other members. Mga nag-live, they show it to you guys naman. Baka mamaya mayari ako. Thank you so much, Natsu! Yeah! Okay, so, going back. So, it's like, oh my pumpkin. And then, nandyan ka pala ang aking pumpkin. Are you copying it, my pumpkins? Are you copying it, pumpkins? Are you ready to dance with me, pumpkins? Wait, so like, again, oh my pumpkin. Oh my pumpkin. Ang aking pumpkin. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and boom. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and whoosh. Ta 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 ta. Oh my pumpkin. Are you copying it? That's it for my tutorial. Napaka-fast learners nyo. Alam niyo, hindi ko pinakita ko lang sa inyo. Nagets niyo na agad. Kaya kayo talaga yung perfect for 5th Gen's audition din. So, audition na kayo kahit sarado na yung audition. Wait, sorry. Ulitin ko. So, oh my pumpkin, nandyan ka pala ang aking pumpkin. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. You got it? Students? You got it? Ang dali lang pala lang. But it's so fun, no? It's the first time na I dance something with like that. Like that. Okay, sige, I can show it to you guys for a little while. Just the chorus, pero just... But then, of course, soon enough, you guys will see the full version.
Yes, it's just what I've been dreaming of.
I think that is too, wait. Thank you so much for the love.
Todo pedal-sabay, pa-check na buong lakas. Di mapipinod ang pawis ko. Sobrang haba ng summer holiday at mukhang di na tayo magkikita. Subukan ko kaya nasa pool magpunta, tumalon ng napakalakas. Kapag may crush ka sa isang lalaki, damdamin ay nag-iinit like summer fire.
dance. It's like I really want to dance the whole song, but I cannot. Because soon enough. But then yeah, it's so fun. You guys have to learn it. Para kung kid na nagpi-please. Like, come on guys, you have to learn it. So hanggang bukas tayo magda-dance dito. Pero you memorize the lyrics, right? I don't have a maayos na photo, I mean, hindi naman ako feelingera, but I'm hoping na you guys are taking a screenshot of me. Then, I look like, thank you so much. So cute! Wow, thank you so much, Sir Rob. Ang cute nun. Kaya ko dun. Eh, hindi naman. Uy, naniniwala ko you guys can dance it. Diba nga, sabi ko kanina, basta nandito ako, naniniwala ako sa inyo. You guys, kaya nyo yun. Promise. If you're gonna look talaga closely on how I feel, naniniwala ako kaya nyo. Kaya bukas, pag pinerform nyo yan, dapat ipakita nyo na lahat ng pinaghirapan natin, ilalabas nyo on stage. Bakit? Para sa M&. Loves. Para sa M&. Loves na naghihintay napakatagal para sa ating comeback. Diba? Diba? So show your best, do your best, and just dance and sing with all your heart. And wait, ang dami kong say. But yeah, I'm such a happy girl because stage kami mag-perform. Do your best and show the rest. That's nice. Ka-copy-paste ko yan, Sir Rob. Very nice. Iano ko yan. Ka-copy-paste ko yan. Thank you. Thank you so much, guys. Sa iTunes, we're top 2. But yeah. So, again, pero kami ay may mga dance challenge. Kami sa circle. That's nice, yeah. I like to like to watch you guys dance it. So don't forget to tag us, MNL48 Official, with your dance. And I'm gonna be there to also support you and like and subscribe to your channel. The joke, you guys, matutuwa talaga ako if maraming nagda-dance nun. So, sana maraming mag-cover ng Oh My Pumpkin. I believe it's very catchy, diba? Correct me if I'm wrong. Talagang catchy talaga siya. Na kahit hindi ka M&. Loves, magugustuhan mo siya. Diba? Para akong batang may sipon. But yeah, guys, thank you so much, Sir Ying. I think that's it for the live stream, and I'm gonna see you guys probably on the next day after my school, and expect that I'll be live next week. Favorite colors mo pala? I love pink. I love green recently. I love pink and green because of probably the movie Wicked. Thank you, Ate Yani. And then I love baby blue. Thank you, Ate Yani. Thank you, pretty mo. Oh, thank you po. Thank you so much, guys. And then I love, yeah, I think green, baby blue. What more else? So far, that's my most favorite. But then I have more. Yeah. Wait lang. Let me show you guys my So I got this from biglang nag-outfit check. So I got this from a store parang very, ano siya Filipino culture, retail store. Tapos, natuwa ako kasi nakita ko to dati sa mall. Tapos, hinahanap ko sino yung seller, ganun. Tapos, wala siyang social media. So, we were rushing going back home. So, hindi ko nakilala sino yung seller. Tapos, after my training, I passed by sakto sa place na kung saan yung hinahanap ko siya like after 1 year. So, ayun. Sobrang random ko. But then, nahanap ko siya. Tapos, meron ako pang dito. Isa pa. It's so pretty. This one's so cute. I don't know may minention siyang name ng stone, but I forgot what it's called. But I know it's rare and yeah, it's kind of pricey, but it's unique. Like, it's really handmade. And here. It's so pretty! Whoa! That's so nice. I'm so amazed. I can't wait to post it on my Instagram. My other app. And I have a imagination na I'm wearing this top in this restaurant and then the music is ganon. Okay, going back. I was about to end pala my life. Ay, sorry. What? Hindi kaya yan Agent Alien. Kaya. It's the thing about this. Wow, marketing! Wala, kailangan ko talaga mag-business because I think I'm also meant for it. So, you can actually bend it. And it could fit your brasso. Yeah. And this one also. So, just add it to the basket. Super nice. I love this so much. I also got an earrings. Wait. Wow. So, now you guys found out where my salary goes. When I get my salary, which thankfully I'm so happy whenever we get our salary, me and Rachel, we go to the toy store and we buy whatever cars. Meron si Rachel, mahilig din siya sa cars, natuwa ako. And mahilig din siya sa toys. Nakahanap ako ng partner ko sa toys. Kaya we go buy all the cute stuff I buy. Yeah, that one! Oh my gosh, we love that. We buy those unique cars. Right now, I'm enjoying the classic car. Oh, dito ka ba din, Yana? Ano ka ba? Yana, hindi ako nagbibiro. Mag-aral ka muna. May finals tayo. Nagtatrabaho lang ako here, pero hindi ibig sabihin kailangan manood ka. Dumaan. Yeah, ang cute ng English. Ang cute ng English. Ang ganda nga, it's a mix I really like it naman. At least something new, diba? Okay, so I'm talking too much. And I have to go. So, I'm gonna post lang. Kasi feeling ko, bilang isang feelingera, feeling ko may magsi-screenshot. So, gusto ko may mag-screenshot. So, let's take a pose. Strike a pose. Let me just wear my bangles. Just this one pala. Arm cuff pala. Ito pala. Wait lang. Thank you, Ate Annie. Okay. Let me just fix myself. parang motivational coach. Parang hindi naman ako member mag-post. Parang nag-livestream ako sa motivational coach, hindi idol. Wait nga. Ba't Wait lang. Lalabas ko yon. Wait, Yana, alis ka muna. Nagbababay ako Ito naman. Guys, palisin nyo nga yung friend ko. Charot. Okay, sige. Post na ako for real. Ayan o, sabi nung camera, ba't ka nagpo-post na ganyan? Magkano po sahod ng MNL? I best believe almost 200 million. Very well enough to buy, yeah. Okay lang. Joke lang. Secret. Pero yeah, see a picture. Because after I got my sweldo, you know what I got? I got a Corvette in pink. I got a pink Bentley. I got... Joke lang! Joke lang. Mga dream car ko lang yun. Okay, go. I got a Aventador. Yeah. I got... Uy, joke lang yun guys baka totoohin nyo Kayo pa naman yung mga bagay na binibiro sineseryoso. Joke lang. Basta pink. Pero low-key lang. Apply na ako. Low-key lang. Humble lang. Okay, go. Ba't pa ba ako nagpo-post? Sabi niya po, sabi ko sa isip-isip ko, post ako ng post. Wala naman nagsi-screenshot. Okay na yun? Okay na yun. Akala ko tapos na. Sorry. Sorry na. Okay. As I said, thank you so much. I'm about to leave and gusto ko nang isinga tong kinip ko kanina pa. So, hi! Thank you! Thank you, wait lang guys. I'm gonna show my food lang. Thanks, me. What's this again? Furikake. So, I got... This is the one that makes it really good then. So, I got a creamy chicken made by mother. Thank you so much, mommy. And I got this one. It's so good. Paubos na siya. We got this at Mitsukoshi. It's called furikake. And when you put it in your rice, super good. Especially when you eat teriyaki chicken with this. You put this on your rice, it's super good. Ayun naman, may new recommendation na naman ako sa inyo. I don't know how you pronounce it Si Mami kasi, she said furikake. And then, ako naman, I copied what she said. But, sometimes what she says is very wrong grammar. But then, I have to just say it. So, I think furikake. So, yeah, thank you guys for watching my live. Sobrang na-appreciate ko yung kulitan natin. Hala, 1% na lang! Yari! Wait. Oh my goodness. Wait. Siyempre, sino ba ako without struggling? Sino ba ako without struggling? Sino ba ako without struggling? Oh my gosh, natakot ako. Hi, okay, so ayun, bye-bye. Wait lang. Paano mag-hide ng camera? But yeah, ayun, natakot ako kasi baka mamaya wala akong proof na nag-live. Eh di yari na naman ako. So wait, wait lang. So ayun, I just wanna say bye-bye and good night. Good luck sa exam nyo and see you. Basically, okay, thank you guys. So, as I was saying, thank you so much. I'll see you guys on the next live. Bye-bye. Love you guys. Thank you. And don't forget to stream Oh My Pumpkin. Bye-bye.